Alright, here we go. It's a hot day. We got something we're trying out. It's a 110 proof deer attractant. Got some, what is it? We're going to read you some literature here real quick. And it's 110 proof story. Buck bourbon 110 proof is our priority protein rich, sweet free feed. Through our testing, we have developed a protein feed that deer will actually eat. In our experience, our protein feeds are not attractive to deer alone. Usually another attractant is mixed with it. The sweet aroma of Buck Bourbon 110 proof brings the deer in from a long way, and the great taste keeps them coming back. Rip it open. 110 proof. Smells all right. Yeah, has a nice smell to it. We're going to pour it out here, leading it right up to the trail camera that's right next to y'all. We're going to see what we get. And there you go, and there you are, 110 proof. I like their go with it. I like their logo. It's a pretty cool logo right there. That is actually an awesome logo. But and there we are on the ground, as you see, and there you are. Got the trail camera up right there. We're in the working process, so I'm cleaning this out. When it's 100, 105, 110, humidity high and everything else, you tend to have short days of work. A lot of incomplete days, but it will slowly add up in the long run. So here we go, and there you are. Thanks for watching. Alright, here we go. Well, you can see, just in case the camera ain't working, this is a week later. Had that line right here, and y'all can see that they got it. They went after it, so at least it don't run them off. That's about it. So, yeah, that 110 proof seems to do it. Ain't too bad.